Okay, folks, the verdict is in. I am going to keep them and work with them because I did check my local nursery and they were $6 for regular blueberries. And they look about like this. So I guess this is kind of the best you can do for blueberries right now. And so this is all 4 of them. And they're all unboxed. I just put them on this rack because they're probably going to have to hang out here for a week until I can get them in the ground. But I did give them some water, and I'll probably give them some food and get them in the ground before the end of next week. And this is all for $29.67 at Home Depot online, and they deliver them straight to you. They come from the National Plant Network. So the National Plant Network sent a little thank you card with a little bit of instructions as to what to do. I want them to kind of hang out for a bit before I put them in the ground, though. I want to find the perfect spot for them. But yes, all 4 Pink Lemonade Blueberries. This is the only thing, blueberries I'm going to try right now. Maybe next weekend I'll make up my mind to go ahead and get a couple of the regular blueberries to kind of commingle with these. But that's to be determined at this point. Here you go. If you thought about buying them, here's what you'll get. Thank you for watching.